Hello everyone, I am Fuji. Welcome to the Fuji's Kitchen. Today, I make onigiri at the request of my American friend. This time, I use salmon, cutler, and salted plan. All are popular ingredients for onigiri. This time, it's a request from my friend. So, I'll make it super seriously.
Cook the rice. 2 cup rice and 2 cup water. Cook on strong medium heat for 30 minutes. Reduce the heat to low heat when steam rises. Never open lid on the way. Turn on high heat and wait for a few seconds. Turn off the heat and leave for 10 minutes. Never open the lid on the way. Stew when cooked. Cook the ingredients. Ignite the charcoal. Boil the salmon.
Oh no, fire is too strong. It's okay. Oh no! Oh no!
Boil the cutlet.
I feel it. This is take 2 new ingredients. I'll go seriously. Whoa. Look delicious. Oh, yes.
Bake salmon flakes. If you get your hand wet, the rice won't stick.
Oh yeah. Finally, I'll hold my sword together.
Loves seaweed. Decorate the ingredients on the top.
Good luck. This is my favorite. Mmm, delicious. Ah, next one, salmon flake. This is my friend's favorite ingredient. Mmm, sumiyaki flavor is very good. Oh yeah. Last one, salted rice. Mmm, so. Ah, amazing. Thank you for watching. If you have any requests, please write in the comment. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel. See you next time.